It's the terrifying tale in which 5 people are kept awake for 15 days and the horrifying effect it had on their minds and bodies. Now, this is just a story, and there is no evidence to prove this actually happened, but with that in mind, people say with the things that were going on in this time period, there is a possibility something like this could have been conducted. Because we cannot forget that in the same era as this story is based, Russian scientists released a video of severed dog heads that were kept alive for several hours using an artificial blood circulation system. So, although this is fictional, there is a possibility it's based on historical experiments. So let's get into the story. In the 1940s, scientists in Russia decided to conduct experiments to test the effects of extreme sleep deprivation. They selected 5 World War II political prisoners deemed as enemies of the state and promised them freedom if they could stay awake for 30 days. They were then sealed into a small chamber and exposed to an experimental gas stimulant to keep them awake. The prisoners were monitored through portholes and microphones, and they were provided with enough food to last for a month, along with some books, running water, a toilet and beds. For the first 5 days, very little happened, apart from the discussions between the prisoners were getting more emotional and they started to reveal their inner thoughts to each other. On day 6, their behaviour took a turn for the worst. They were getting paranoid, stopped communicating and started blaming each other for being trapped in the room. They started sitting with their backs to each other and strange, inaudible whispers could be heard through the microphones. After 9 days, one of the men started screaming.